Thanks for tuning in to Dale's Short Hot Topics. And, well, we all know that the versus battles have been happening. Some are better than others. But the more they air verses, the more they want different artists to participate. And some artists are more willing than others. And some artists, we are left to wonder who can go up against them in a versus battle. And asked when Jay-Z would do a versus battle, he admits nobody can touch him on versus. And Jay-Z states, it's not a chance in HELL that anyone can stand on the stage with me.
But okay.
Nobody can stand on that stage with me. I mean, I ain't gonna lie, no disrespect. Everyone's amazing and done what they done. No one can stand on that stage with me. I'm just telling you guys the real. There's not a shot. There's not a chance in hell that anyone can stand on that stage with me for I don't know how long it is. 2 hours, 1 hour, 2 hours.
Right.
Look, you gotta stand in front of the Grammy Family Freestyle Live. No one's ever even seen me perform that. Like, you got to stand in front of that. That ain't gonna never happen, man. Let's move on from verses and let's get back to the this Keys album.
But first, before we move on from verses, we definitely have to get my husband.
But yeah, you saying that, but Lil Jon disagrees. He say Busta will smoke Jay-Z. And there is one rapper that doesn't mind going up against Jay-Z in the verses, and that would be Rick Ross. Because in a recent interview, asked if there anyone that he would go up against in the verses, and he was like, yeah, why not? And so Rick Ross also said, to me, that's what makes verses special, because it brings out the best in both parties. It's a possibility, but I gotta give my flowers to Big Homie. My homie gave me my first opportunity signing me to Def Jam Records, and he's one of one. But there is someone with a whole lot of buzz behind his name that can go up against Jay-Z in a versus, and that is Lil Wayne.
And call me out if I'm lying.
And until that happens, a Jay-Z can just hush. But while on Alicia Keys' Twitter Spaces conversation, Jay-Z continued his conversation by stating that his wife Beyonce was a continuation of Michael Jackson.
Okay, now you're getting beside yourself, Jay-Z. Sorry.
In a tweet he stated, Babe's gonna be mad at me for saying this, but Michael Jackson never had a Coachella.
Yeah, Jay-Z was popping off for him and his wife.
She's an evolution of him because she watched him at 9 and the kids are the same. And that's all in well. While she was watching Michael Jackson at 9, he was performing before 9. And by Jay-Z making those remarks, a heated debate. And most people feel that Michael Jackson was on an entirely different level. He did all of these things he did without social media. One person said, I don't agree with what Jay-Z just said on the Spaces. Beyonce is not on Michael Jackson level, never will be. Another one chimed in and said Michael Jackson was on an entirely different level. He did all of this without the presence of social media, Apple Music, YouTube, and Spotify. Another fan said Michael Jackson did not need a Coachella, period. Lastly, someone said he's setting his wife up. Leave them both alone. Beyonce is super talented and inspirational. Beyonce and Michael Jackson is Michael Jackson. And the comments just keep going. I feel like one of the people said he's setting his wife up. He truly is, because he knows there's going to be backlash. People are going to say something. They're going to put them in two different zones like they're already comparing them and doing. And that's why he said that his wife was going to be mad that he brought that up.
But hey, it's his opinion. His opinion versus fact.
Well, you guys tell me what you think down in the comments below. That's all I have for you guys right now at the moment. Subscribe to the channel for more updates. Give me a thumbs up, share if you can. And I'll talk to you guys later.